Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I want to talk about Adobe stock and what I'm looking to do with this trade plan. And in this video I will be going in depth on what I'm looking at Adobe and how I will be playing it out. I'll be covering everything from stop loss and to profit target and the price target, and overall very in-depth video for you guys. And keep in mind that I've not entered in Adobe yet, so you guys could see this video earlier and decide it yourself. Do your own due diligence and do your own charts and everything like that again. And this is for educational purposes. If you guys like this type of content, make sure to subscribe and follow me on Twitter. And again, these videos are here as a trade log, as a trade journal for you guys. And later on I'll be making more in-depth video on stocks and options and overall. So what I like about Adobe is that this is going to be a put play that I am looking to take. So as you guys know, I'm mostly bullish on the market right now, but we have FOMC, so we have Powell speaking this week. And just in case if the market turns to the opposite side, I'm looking at this play. Now Adobe is a gap play, so we have this exhaustion gap right over here. What does or what is a exhaustion gap? Well, it's a sign that buyers are getting tired. And the best way to know if it's exhaustion gap is we add the RSI. So as you guys can see, this is actually the RSI tool. And let's change this color to something like red. And right over here, if a gap is above the RSI, I would consider it a exhaustion gap, and those gaps is what I look to short. So very simple, quick fact for you guys right over here. I'm looking to short this right over here. Now, what is my entry? So I'm going to be zooming back in. My entry, as always, will be right at the gap entry. So I'm looking at a horizontal line, and I'm looking right over here. Okay, so entry right at this gap level, and then our price target is right over here. And then keep in mind that we have this nice doji right over here. If you guys don't know what a doji is or what it means, it shows a sign of trend reversal. So we had a huge massive run up on Adobe, and we closed off of this real nice doji, and then we have a nice gap to the downside. And again, just looking at the daily, it already looks way overextended. Okay, and again, we look at the weekly, just looks extended overall. And I'm loving this gap to short on this exhaustion gap and over here. And the best advice that I can give you guys is to always set alerts. So set a alert right over here, notify on app, show pop-up, send email, all of that stuff, because you'll be reminded on the play. And just in case if I'm not up at market open or I'm still sleeping, you guys have that quick setup for Adobe. So overall, our price target is 612.43. we enter the short position right over here. And again, I'm also looking to grab a short position tomorrow, because as a swing, the only concern for me is the contracts price, because they are a little pricey on the put side. So overall, something like this, very simple. And the gap is actually pretty small, so we can actually day trade this. I might swing this tomorrow, might buy some puts tomorrow, swing this 2-3 weeks out of this gap. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. A very simple video. I also teach you guys how exhaustion gaps work on this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and again, really do appreciate everyone subscribing and following me on Twitter. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.